Welcome to the wonderful world of worthwhile webinars. Today our topic is Executive Summaries that sell your proposal. If you want your clients to read, remember, and respond positively to your proposals, you must first sell them with an excellent executive summary. Yes, that's the purpose of the executive summary, to sell. You need to sell your clients on the idea of carefully reading your proposal, understanding the benefits it offers, and recognizing the solutions and values it contains. If your clients are not impressed with your executive summary, they will not study your proposal with the attention you expect. Your executive summary, therefore, is the most important part of your proposal. For the most part, it should be no longer than one page, and it should accomplish the following tasks. First of all, your executive summary should build credibility. You build credibility by focusing on what your clients will see as a result of granting you the order. Your executive summary must reveal a clearly defined vision of a successful business relationship. You accomplish this when your executive summary allows your clients to see and hear words and ideas that are familiar to them. They should be familiar because you listened extremely well to your clients, you studied their situation, and you have dissected the structure of their RFP. Your executive summaries should leave your clients with the feeling that they will be making an intelligent decision if they work with you. In other words, your executive summaries appeals to your clients intellectually and emotionally. That executive summary should create a comfort factor as well as credibility. This building credibility may be the most important quality of an executive summary. Second, an executive summary should set you apart from your competition. If you fill your executive summary with boilerplate pollution and your competitors do the same, that puts you in the same canoe with everyone else. You can set yourself apart from your competitors by 3 easy steps. First, creating a clear, concise, complete, correct, and conversational executive summary. You don't want your clients to have to read your sentences 2 or 3 times to understand what you're trying to say. Second, exceeding your client's expectations. What can you offer your client your competitors can't, won't, or never even thought of? And third, you can set yourself apart by challenging your client's beliefs. Your clients may envision a solution to their problems coming from what they know of your competitors' products or services. Provide them a fresher, better, more tangible vision of what their situation can look like. Now, an excellent executive summary also prepares your clients for the reading style and pace of the rest of your proposal. When you answer the phone, most of the time you answer the phone, hello, or you give your name. Do you know how or why this whole hello thing started? Saying hello is an opportunity for the person at the other end of the line to become familiar to the sound and volume and tone and rhythm of your voice. Your executive summary can do a similar thing for the style and rhythm and pace of your proposal. Make sure you write your executive summary in a conversational tone. Do not burden your client with an academic assignment. Also, excellent executive summaries prove that you understand your customer's situation. Your executive summary previews the content of your proposal. If your client feels your executive summary is nothing more than a commercial for your business, your clients will never read your proposal. Your executive summary needs to relive the client's pain or need and then clearly and graphically reveal what they will see, feel, and experience as a result of your offering. An excellent executive summary also previews your unique solutions to the customer's needs. First you understand their problem, now you have to give them a solution. Even if your products or services are exactly the same as your competitors, you need to come up with a unique selling proposition that creates a customer who wants to do business with you. I'm sure by listening to your customers, by doing the research, by focusing on their needs, and maybe even using words from their boilerplate pollution on their website, you might be able to create a unique solution. For example, you may not now offer 24-hour telephone support. This might be something neither your client nor your competitor even considered. If your pre-proposal investigation uncovers this concept, you might offer it as your unique sales proposition. If the client is that important and the ROI clearly warrants it, go for it. Now, let me offer you a way to test the power of your executive summary. If you feel confident your executive summary represents you well, run it through a taste test. Let someone or a group of people unfamiliar with your product or services, your clients, or even your industry, let them read your executive summary. If they can read it quickly and easily, if they understand that it offers reasonable ideas, if they say something like, "Sounds good to me," the chances are pretty high you've got a winner. If they have to ask you a lot of questions, you might want to rethink your approach. If your review board doesn't understand your words, your clients might feel the same way.